Ever asked your AI assistant a question, only to get an answer that sounds confident but is totally off? Like, what's the name of the famous bridge in the birth city of the composer of Scanderbeg? And it spits out something about a bridge in Venice. But wait, the real answer is the Rialto Bridge in Venice. No, hold on. Scanderbeg is by Giuseppe Verdi, who was born in Lecco, which doesn't have a famous bridge. This is confusing. That's the kind of tricky, multi-layered question that even smart AI systems struggle with. They'll hallucinate, make up answers, because they're just matching words, not really thinking. But what if we could teach AI to reason like humans? That's where a new approach called lag comes in. Large language models, LLMs like ChatGPT or GPT-4 are amazing at lots of tasks, but they're not perfect. When faced with complex questions, they'll sometimes pull information from their training data that doesn't quite fit. This is called a hallucination, like a brain fart but for AI. Enter Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG, a technique that tries to fix this by letting AI access external knowledge like a library. But here's the catch. RAG still struggles with questions that need logical reasoning. It's like giving a student a textbook, but not teaching them how to connect the dots. That's where LAG, Logic-Augmented Generation, steps in. Inspired by the 17th century philosopher Descartes, who said, "Divide problems into smaller parts," LAG teaches AI to think step by step. Let's imagine our tricky bridge question again. Instead of jumping straight to what's the bridge name, LAG breaks it down. 1. Who is the composer of Scanderbeg? 2. Where was this composer born? 3. What's a famous bridge in that city? It's like solving a puzzle piece by piece. Each answer becomes a clue for the next step, ensuring the AI doesn't get lost in a maze of guesswork. And if it hits a dead end, like if the second step has no answer, LAG knows to stop and try a different path. No more wasted computation. The results? LAG reduces hallucinations by 40% in some tests, and makes AI reasoning more reliable. It's not just about getting the right answer, it's about how the AI gets there. By mimicking human-like logical steps, LAG bridges the gap between smart and smart in the right way. So the next time you ask your AI a tricky question, remember, we're not just building tools, we're building thinkers. And who knows? Maybe one day, your AI will solve mysteries faster than a detective, with a